Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this video is all about 2024 and your IELTS preparation plan, and I'm sure and I'm prayerful for all of you that those who are watching this video in 2024, they reach their destination country. Right? Like we say, inshallah. Inshallah means with the grace of or with the willingness of God, you're going to achieve that. Okay? So 2024 is the year when you are going to change your mobile number. You're going to change currency in your wallets. Okay? And you are going to be in your dream country. But there are few things which you need to act upon. There are few things which you need to follow, few suggestions, pieces of advice which I'm going to give you in this video. Well guys, let me tell you one thing. If your why is strong, you will always find how. Why do you want to go to a foreign country? Why do you want to study in Canada, England, Australia, New Zealand? Right? If your why is strong, most definitely you will find how. And if your why is staggering, if your why is weak, you will not be able to find how. Instead of how, you will find excuses for not doing IELTS. I know many students who find excuses for not doing IELTS. My English is not good. IELTS is very difficult. Listening is very fast. Reading is very hard. Speaking is so confusing. They find excuses. Among them, there is this student of mine, Gurvinder Singh from Indian Punjab. And that Singh is really king. He looked at the plight of his parents. He looked at his village and where he was, and he realized he would have no future while staying there. And then he decided to change his financial conditions and to give a better future to his father. And he was just a government school student, then a government college student, but his determination was strong, and he ended up with 2 9 bands and then 7 band, 7.5 band, and now he's planning to go to Canada. So see that, I mean, when I interviewed him, he told me, sir, I had a very strong reason to do that, and that reason was my father. In some cases, reason can be father. In some cases, reason can be father-in-law. Like you say, my future father-in-law wants to marry his daughter with someone who is stable. So I want to go to Canada so that I could do that, right? So you need to find a reason, and the reason should be strong, whether it is father or father-in-law, right? Yeah, you should have a reason. And once this reason is strong, automatically you will find motivation. IELTS will become a pleasant journey for you. IELTS will become something of your great interest, because you know it's going to be the ladder of IELTS which is going to take you to a place where you will be able to meet your loved ones. It can be loved one or loved ones. Okay, it depends on you, right? So 2024 is the year where you are going to start a new chapter of your life. Shortcomings, carelessness, right? Ignorance, not doing things properly, wasting your time, giving preference to other things, not IELTS. You are going to transform your life altogether in 2024. Right? And you need to decide now that I will give my 100% to IELTS. Believe me, if you give your 100% to IELTS, you will get your desired band. And then in return, life will give you 200%. Where I am today, my status, whatever I'm earning or whatever I'm doing, my activities, people know me, 1.5 million subscribers on YouTube. It would have been a dream if I go back to my past in 2005 when I was working as a university teacher, right, on daily wages, when I was working in a small language center, right, on commission basis, right? And if somebody would come and tell Asad Yaqub in 2004 or 2005 that in 2023, Asad Yaqub, you will reach there, for me, it would have been a big lie at that time, but now I've achieved it. So believe me, life will give you so many surprises, but you need to deserve. Life does not give us what we desire. IELTS will not give you the band score that you desire. IELTS will give you the band score that you deserve. Life will give you what you deserve. In order to achieve success, you have to become an attractive person. Success is not something you get. Success is something you attract by becoming an attractive person. So band score in IELTS is something you attract by becoming an attractive person. What is that attractive person? You practice listening, you improve your listening skills, you practice reading, you improve your reading skills. I advise you to watch Gurvinder Singh's interview on my channel. And then you see how he struggled, how he achieved 9977.5. So I mean, we need to learn from others. You can learn from me, but enough is enough. Whatever happened in 2023, that's gone. It's past. 2023 was your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever you want to call it, okay? Don't comment on this thing, okay? Anyway, so that was your ex. 2023 is your ex now, and 2024 is something where you can control. We cannot control our past. We cannot look into our future, because whenever it comes, it becomes present. We cannot control our past. We cannot even control our future, but it's only present which is in our control. And if we control our present, when it becomes past, it is controlled past. When it becomes future, it is according to what we want in life and what we desire. So we get all these things. So again, I'm telling you, 2024 is your year. It's not my year. It's your year, okay? 2024 is the year when you're going to make progress. 2024 is the year when you're going to land in your destination country. You're going to spend dollars, okay? Dollars, pounds, and the currency where you're going to go to, right? You are going to change your change your dwelling. You're not going to be in that country or village or city anymore where you belong to. Everything is going to change, and 2024 is the year you will remember in life. You will say, well, all that happened in 2024. And remember, one small piece of advice, one small motivational sentence is enough to change your life. And if your life doesn't have to be changed, you read 100 motivational books, you watch 200 motivational clips, your life will never change. And by the way, it's at the time of your decision that your destiny is made. So 2024 is the time. Now is the time to decide, and 2024 is the time when you're going to execute whatever you decide. You need to execute that. Now I want you all to comment below this video and write your goal. Write your goal. For example, you can write your goal: in 2024, I will get Canadian nationality, Canadian PR. In 2024, I will land in Canada and start my education there. In 2024, I will reach UK. So I want you to write one sentence that is your goal, which is connected with IELTS only. Don't say in 2024 I'll get married and by December I'll try to have a baby. Not like this, okay? You will have babies as well, right? Once your baby will come, so then things are going to be different. I mean, once you are capable, people will come. Girls will get attracted, boys will get attracted, relatives will get attracted, and all that once you are capable. And if you are not capable, then you are like this, okay? So don't worry. Inshallah, we will talk about all these things. And one more thing, you guys have my WhatsApp number. In 2024, some of you will reach in January, February, March, April, till December. Whenever you reach your destination country, send me your selfie and just tell me, sir, I watched your video and now I'm in my destination country. And I know 99% of you will do that. I'm your teacher. I pray for you. I pray to God for you that you achieve whatever you want, and 2024 should be a year when you reach your destination country. All the best. As I prayed for you, I want you to pray for me. Okay, because I've got my own goals as well, my own targets as well. So may God succeed me in my goals, and may God succeed you in your goals. All the best. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. And we offer IELTS study plans, IELTS test booking service, IELTS writing evaluation service, and all that. If you want to get any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck in 2024. I wish your arrival in your destination country in 2024. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.